get two of them, buddy?
Not yet.
Oh, you almost got them both done.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
As you can see, it's uneven.
Well, we never said it was going to be perfect.
hey, but at least
But
it
the fact
works.
of the matter is,
It rolls.
it rolls.
The wheels work.
There. Put one. Well, that's.
Oh,
Here,
crap.
put this under the back wheel. There.
That's going to prevent it
Reglue
from
it.
going.
Leave it on there. Glue it.
Yeah, that's our grandfather helping us.
I already told them, Braden, to know.
He didn't know. He does now.
Right. Sorry for the attitude.
Come on, kitty.
He's just not used to having people help him.
You're right, I'm not. Now, to make sure that will stay on, I kind of added
Okay.
a little extra, so.
That's fine. Just try to make sure it don't bubble up too much. Okay? Dry it up. Just that quick. Huh?
Why don't you glue on the rubber band and quickly put it on the wheel?
That's why. I'm not fast and hands.
Yep.
Hey, Pap, where'd those blue paper towels go?
Should be right there.
There they are.
Pointed right at him, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes we forget where some things are.
Well, this place is a mess right now. I got to get it all cleaned back up again. I had everything clean and organized, but everything that come out of
Everywhere.